Hi there, students. Hagiography. Okay, this is a noun, a hagiography. And you could even have the adjective hagiographic. Okay, a hagiography, the original use, and they still use it, is a book about the lives of religious people. Yeah, a book about the saints. So a hagiography about the life of St. Peter, for example. But we use this word hagiography nowadays to talk about a book or a description of somebody that represents this person as perfect. It represents them as much better than they really are. You're admiring them and idealizing them. You're saying that everything about them is perfect. Very often, a hagiography is used as propaganda, and a hagiography very often will include embellishments. You make the fish a bit bigger, you make him sound a bit braver. Yeah, okay, so it's a biography of somebody, but it only looks at the good side, and it never criticizes them at all. It's uncritically supportive. So if you call a biography or a description of something a hagiography, then you're being rude. You're saying this is only looking at the good side. This is like hero worship. Yeah. So a hagiography, for example, I think if you wanted to publish a biography of Alexander Lukashenko in Belarusia, the only thing you could publish would be a hagiography, something that made him out as absolutely perfect. It would have to be a hagiographic work. Okay, so hagiographic, only praising, eulogizing, without looking at anything that might be negative. Yeah, in a hagiographic work, the subject never ever makes any mistake. Yeah, it makes this person look like a saint. Yeah, okay, so yeah, a hagiography. It probably includes many true things, but very often these have been embellished, they've been made bigger. Yeah, hagiography can also be the act of writing like this. So I think maybe sometimes in newspapers, when they have one political leaning or another, they give hagiographic descriptions of the politicians or the political parties that they support. Okay, so a hagiography, I think, is a great word. So, next question. How formal is this? I think I'd probably give it a 7.5 in formality. I think if you use this in an informal conversation, most natives are not going to know what it means. Yeah. So how would I say this informally? Yeah, a eulogy, an idealized description of somebody. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so use it semi-formally or formally. It sounds a pretty literary word as well. It would be a great word if you could incorporate it in an essay. And then, as to origin, okay, it comes from ancient Greek. We have the word hagios, holy, and graphia, writing. So hagiography, holy writing. And originally hagiographies were about the study of the saints, the documentation of their lives, a biography of the life of a saint. Yeah, but then by extension, a biography or a description that expresses reverence and respect for the subject. Yeah, and then as a pejorative work, or a pejorative phrase, something that just is supports this person wholly. They can do no wrong. They're absolutely perfect. And here it's really becoming propaganda. Okay, so a hagiography, hagiographic. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hagiography, hagiographic.